The first step in replacing your pedal switch is to make sure your battery is unplugged. First, remove your seat. And unplug your battery. Now, reach under your pedal and smack it out. The housing will pop out of the footrest and will have 4 screws located around the lip of the pedal. Remove these screws. Once you've removed the 4 screws, remove the housing. Inside you will have 3 wires, red, black, and yellow. Remove all 3 wires. To do so, there is a small spade located at the tip of each wire. Press that in with your screwdriver and pull up. Now, remove the small screw holding your pedal to the switch. The pedal has 4 small pieces of plastic holding it in place. Push these in and push the pedal out. Make sure the bottom of your switch is facing the back. Push the switch into place. When you press it, the top will push down. Now, using the color codes, connect your 3 wires. To test your switch, plug your battery in. Press down on the switch. Everything is working, so now we're ready to put the whole switch together. Replace the top of your switch. Make sure you don't lose the spring. It'll lock into the hole. Take your long screw. Screw it back in. And now, replace your housing. Replace the 4 screws. Now, replace the pedal into the footrest. Test it. Now, replace your seat. Once the seat is replaced, your child's ready to enjoy their Raptor.